Lively Learning for Kids.
Episode 3.
Our plan for today. 1. Math. We will be learning about some basic shapes.
2. Words Workshop. We will be spelling a few 4-letter words.
3. Science. We will be learning about the 5 senses.
4. Fun Activity. We will be doing a fun maze.
1. Math.
Shapes.
Our first shape is a square. This is what a square looks like.
Our second shape is a rectangle. Here is a rectangle.
Our third shape is a circle. This is what a circle looks like.
Our fourth shape is a triangle. This is a triangle.
Our fifth shape is an oval. This is what an oval looks like. About the shapes.
1. Square.
They have 4 sides and
All the sides are the same length.
2. Rectangle.
Rectangles also have 4 sides.
2 sides are shorter and the same length, and the other 2 sides are longer, which are also the same length.
3. Circle.
A circle is round.
4. Triangle.
Triangles have 3 sides.
5. Oval.
Oval is basically a stretched out circle.
2. Words Workshop.
How to spell.
4-letter words.
We will be spelling 5 words today. Our first word is
They. This spells they.
Our second word is Fish. This spells fish.
Our third word is King. This spells king.
Our fourth word is Duck. This spells duck.
Our fifth word is Good. This spells good.
Activity. Spell these 4-letter words.
Pause the video here and see if you can spell them.
We're back, and we'll be going over the answers now.
The first word is bowl. Bowl is spelled Bowl.
Our second word is cake. Cake is spelled Cake.
Our third word is frog. Frog is spelled Frog.
Our last word is rose. Rose is spelled Rose. 3. Science.
The 5 senses.
Our first sense is vision.
Vision is used with your eyes. Our second sense is hearing.
Hearing is used with your ears. Our third sense is smell.
Smell is used with your nose. Our fourth sense is taste.
Taste is used with your tongue. Our last sense is touch.
You can touch things with your hand. 4. Fun activity.
Which car reaches the house?
Pause the video here and solve this maze.
We're back, and we'll be going over the answer now.
The answer is the red car.
Vocabulary.
Shapes.
Spell.
Activity.
Senses.
Shapes is the external form, contours, or outline of something or someone.
Spellers write or name the letters that form a word in a correct sequence.
Activity is the condition in which things are happening or being done.
Senses is a faculty by which the body perceives an external stimulus, one of the faculties of sight, smell, hearing, taste, and touch. Sources.
iStockPhoto.com for the 5 census picture,
Carstoon.com for the car maze,
SlidesGo.com for the slides theme.
and Google.com for the vocabulary.
Thank you!
Have any questions? Email us at livelylearningforkids@gmail.com.
Credits. This presentation template was created by SlidesGo, including icons by Flaticon and infographics and images by FreePic. Are you looking for extra practice?
You can visit our website at sites.google.com/view/livelylearningforkids.
You can also find more about us
All of our videos.
and some FAQs about us.
Make sure you like our video
Share our video.
and subscribe to our channel.
Thank you for watching. Bye!